Cottage cheese recipes seem to be in the rotation lately, so we're going to throw another one into the mix. A 2-minute, high-protein cottage cheese mousse made with 5 ingredients or less, and it can be made without protein powder. So let's jump right into it. On the topic of cottage cheese, what's your favorite brand? Drop it in the comments. To make this, you'll need a food processor or blender. I'm using my small one since I'm only making a single serving. Add right into it 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 scoop of chocolate or vanilla protein powder, which is optional and we'll talk more about in a second, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder if you're making it chocolate, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of a sweetener. Honey or sugar-free syrup work great too. If you're making this without protein powder, I'd use these ingredients for chocolate and these ones for vanilla. Quick tip here is if your cottage cheese has a ton of liquid in it, you can either strain it using a cheesecloth or add in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum to your mix. I'll throw all this information on the website along with metric conversions, tips, a link to my mini food processor, and more, which is always linked up here or down below. Process or blend until everything is smooth, then continue processing or blending it for another minute. It should take no longer than 2 minutes to get your whipped texture. Throw your cover back on and put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. This will allow your air bubbles to settle and firm up, which will give it even more of a true mousse texture. In the end, it should look like this. Tips for this. Number 1, the higher fat your cottage cheese is, the silkier your mousse will be. Number 2, add whatever else you want into this for more texture. Nuts, chocolate chips, and so on. Number 3, it'll last in the fridge for a couple days, but for the best results, I'd eat it within 24 hours. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're going with this much whipped topping. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one to help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.